Today we are making this delicious and moist pound cake. Pound cakes are one of the easiest cakes to make because they just require equal amounts of ingredients. We are making vanilla and chocolate chip with vanilla. First we take 250 grams of butter or margarine. To it add 1 cup of sugar. Whisk it until it gets fluffy. So for now it is 250 gram of butter and 250 gram sugar. All the measurements will be in the bio. If you need to check, you should just check there. Once it is fluffy as so, we are going to go with the eggs. We need 6 large eggs for this. So break it separately in another bowl and add it one at a time. This is in case one egg is rotten, it doesn't spoil the whole batch and you don't have to start over again. Those are 4, that's 5, and that's a 6th one. Whisk it together again. You can add any flavorings to it. Today we are adding vanilla essence. So we go with our dry ingredients first. 2 cups of flour. In grams, that is 250 grams of flour. So right now we have 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of flour. Then we go with 4 teaspoons flattened of baking powder. After adding 4 teaspoons of the baking powder, we move on to the vanilla essence. Just add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. At this point, the dry ingredients have been added, so just mix until combined. Do not overmix. I'm going with my electric mixer and mixing it just until combined. Now that it is combined, you can bake it as it is, but I like my cakes to be moist and very soft. So I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup milk. You can skip this, but I wouldn't advise you to skip it as it makes the cake softer. Whisk it together and then we prepare our pan. I only had 1 loaf tin, so I put half the mixer first and then I baked it, and then I washed the tin again and then baked it again, the next mixture. This should be your consistency. It should be smooth and fluffy. Only loaf tin I have, so I put the spray in it. You can grease it with butter and flour it instead. So I'm putting half of the mixture first. That is 500 grams. This yields 1 kg batter. So we are only putting 500 grams first. I smoothened it out and then tapped out any air bubbles. I left half of the mixture just in the pan. Once it was baked, I prepared my tin again by respraying and adding the rest of the mixture. You can see how it turned out. It looks so good and it was so soft. To the next one, I decided to add choco chips to make choco chip flavored loaf cake. I added 2 teaspoons of choco chip. You can add more if you'd like, and folded the mixture. I then poured it into my tin, and it was 534 grams, as you can see. I topped it with more choco chips and baked it at 180 degrees for just 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it was ready. You have to check it with a skewer to know if it's done or not. Both of my cakes are ready. You can see the choco chips at the bottom. And that is it. Let me know if you try this recipe.